What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 1999 Honda Valkyrie. This thing is an absolute monster. This is the touring edition. I don't know what they necessarily call it. Ramrod. I don't know what they necessarily call it. I don't think it's called Ramrod. It is a monster. It's got this huge fairing. The speakers are good. It's got speakers. It's got everything, guys. So this is the walk around video. Let me show you what's wrong with this beast. Now, it is a 99, guys. It's got 50,000 miles on it. Let's see if there's a scuff there. It's not perfect. So let's get that out of the way right now. It's just not the nature of the beast. I don't know how to open this back door back. These are in pretty good shape.
Yo, is that perfect Valkyrie?
That perfect 99?
That perfect 99 Valkyrie?
Do you know how to open the back trunk? I tried that.
If I was a wizard.
I tried that and the golden way underneath. I didn't see it.
So dumb.
Oh, am I dumb?
There's
Is there a
thing
lever
right here.
there?
Lever right here.
No way. Well, there is. It's like a twisty thing.
I lost it already.
It's literally right there. Oh wow, that's actually super nice. It's got this net. He has like a cargo liner in there. Oh, so this is a Corbin seat.
Wow.
So this whole setup doesn't look like that's necessarily what came with the bike, because I don't think they came stock with Corbin seats.
Let me just clarify about this bike. 100% perfect in every way. It only has, what, 50,000 miles? Somehow those 50,000 miles were done in a showroom.
Like on a, what do you call it? On like
on
a
like stand,
dyno
yeah.
tester. You're having trouble turning it on right now, aren't you?
Oh, I wasn't trying.
Boom! Oh, I said boom. 58,432 miles. So.
Disclosure: the bike's not perfect. Caleb's gonna show you what's wrong with it. Oh,
Scuff right there.
guys, I'm currently editing this part 2 of the greatest video we've ever made. Part 1 is on the Bikes and Beards channel. Part 2 is coming up today. Check it out.
Sick! I'm so pumped!
Plug.
I'm gonna watch it. It's actually it's in good shape. It's got some bluing on the pipes you can see down there. The chrome's pretty good. It's got that big old 6-cylinder 15 something. 1500. It's in pretty good shape up here. Got a little scratch right there on that front fender. Windshield's actually in pretty good shape. It's huge, like normal gold wings. It engulfs you, makes you feel like you're in a car. Oh, this chrome's in good shape. There's a scuff on the saddlebag right there. It's in good shape, guys. It does have a hookup here for CB for the passenger. Got this little tank bag jaunt right here. 58,000 miles on it. Let's fire this beast up. It runs amazing! So everyone can see that it runs amazing. I do want to note the seat is a tad bit worn right here on this side. But I also want to tell you guys, when we first got this bike in, it needed a little bit of tune-up work. The guy hadn't ridden it for a little bit. So we did take it to a shop. We put about $800 into it, tuned it up. It runs perfect now. And that was our good old